right, we are out at the range this morning and we're taking a look at two different bows, the Rx-8 Ultra at 70 pounds and the Rx-8 Ultra at 80 pounds. We're going to be doing a little speed test between the two with 4 different weights of arrows. Checking the draw on these before we get started. The 70-pound bow is pulling at 69.8 pounds and holding at 7.2 pounds. And the Rx-8 Ultra, I had to dial this one down a little bit. It was pulling at 81.4, but for the sake of the test, we dialed it down, so now we are at 79.8 and holding at 12.1. We're testing 4 different arrow weights today. We have a 445 grain arrow, a 495 grain arrow, a 545, and a 597. All right, up first we have the 445 grain arrow. We're going to be shooting this first out of the Rx-8 Ultra at 70 pounds. All right, those are all pretty consistent. Now we're going to move up to same arrow, 445 grains out of the Rx-8 Ultra at 80 pounds. All right, we're moving up to the 495 grain arrow out of the 70-pound bow. All right, now we're moving on to 495 out of the 80-pound bow. All right, moving on to the 545 grain arrow coming out of the 70-pound bow. All right, 545 coming out of the 80-pound bow. Last but definitely not least, we have the 595 grain arrow. Start with 70-pound bow. All right, 595 out of 80-pound bow. All right, the clear winner for speed is going to be the 80-pound bow. But what do you prefer? 80 pounds, 70 pounds? Let me know which poundage setup and which arrow weight you would pick in the comment section. And please like and subscribe. Thank you.